taking the dogs out.
Keeping track of the doorbell even from out here, huh?
You got us up and got us off this morning. That's good, right? Frank's got an internal alarm clock, and he doesn't stay in bed much past 8:30. Yeah. Huh? Tex? Yeah, Tex will sleep. He doesn't,